Imphal East District Deputy Commissioner Dr. Nivedita Lakpam today handed over total monthly ration money allowance of November for internally displaced persons of SAJIWA relief camp that was earlier returned to Sawungbung SDO office after district administration agreed to hike the daily allowance to 100 rupees per person from earlier 84 rupees daily. Speaking on the sideline at DC complex in Porampad, Deputy Commissioner Dr. Nivedita Lakpam informed that agreement has been reached between internally displaced persons and district administration, and daily allowance of 100 rupees per person for December have been disbursed to beneficiaries through direct benefit transfer. She also clarified on government's plan to resettle IDPs in phased manner. Meanwhile, an IDP from ECO said the 16 rupees hike in daily allowance was fixed after IDPs agreed to bear other expenses for maintenance of relief camp.
Our target is within the district. District manungda leba IDPs aya mafamda hanjal hanba yum da hanjan basini. Akoina makhal ahum tho es daisa yum si partially damaged haiba maga fully damaged fully burned haiba maga category ani thoe. Aduna akoina fully damaged singsi akoina hanana permanent housing scheme da cover tawrame hojikna mu PMAY gi special scheme special package ama piraktana government of India da pirakpadagi akoina si yum sabasi loinamak da cover tawjari. Imphal iski oina 402 yum se PMAY special package da cover tawjai khoina register tawjai adugi manungda changba yaba jaga khandok saraga 83 number of family house se khoina hana prioritize tawri sigi register tawba hore khoina FTO generate tawrakanda paisa release tawrani moi magi account da DBT oina khoina kapjagani aduga degi yum saba horani aduga Imphal iski oina hojibauta just recently by November last month da 46 plus another 8 ama khoina laikhong haiba andro kendragi kairaubitra subdivision gi se changba hogre then another 31 families akoina kakchingi IDP oiba serau sugnu gidagi khogi kemta leijaba 31 families si DC kakchingna mogi yumsu ready oire halan biro o haire adodi yam long 2-3 months back ta haira abani adubu akoina angangi satragi hekta yadabani na session loiba ngairaga December end si the exam gi angangi loira kanda masi akoi chatna ba thorang tawri 31 families from Kakching district simaga khoi ready oire
ngasi se DC office ta like ibgi maram aguba maramdi mamangda thakarna piba ration money rupees 84 per head per day pibsa sigi amount sigi mamangda hana pyramid rupees 80 per head per day for daily management piraga ration ching sina 400 gram per day per person piramane adugi matungda 80 dugi mathakta 4 hapsa laga ching su kaisu full manage taw habu du pamari gi ching je koi karai da leiga da ke madu gi jaga se takpi haraga mugi paisa se koina manage to ngam haraga November gi date 5 to refund to gi bali adugi matungda koina to ki demand dugi matungda gi de project rupees 84 or madu rupees 100 to on thok pirak padagi koina han to ki rupees 84 do yasin yana raje haraga 84 du yana nabagi launa nabagi lakpani